Can AI replace a therapist? Over the past few years, AI tools like Woebot and Wysa have exploded in popularity, and people are now regularly turning to them for mental health care, sometimes instead of their human therapists. Today, we're going to look at what the research actually says. We'll cover the areas where AI is doing well, where it's struggling, and why the answer to this question isn't a simple yes or a no. First of all, AI in therapy isn't something that's new. Digital therapy tools have been around for well over a decade. But the recent advancements in large language models have taken things to a whole nother level. In 2023 and 2024, multiple randomized controlled trials demonstrated that AI-based chat tools can reduce mild to moderate symptoms of depression and anxiety. For example, a 2024 study in the Journal for Medical Internet Research found that people with chronic conditions saw mood improvements after interacting with the chatbot-based AI tool. Okay, so what does AI actually do well? 1. Accessibility. It breaks down barriers like geography, cost, and schedule. 2. Consistency. Unlike a human, a chatbot won't cancel sessions or get tired. Really shouldn't. 3. Short-term relief. While the long-term impacts of AI therapy haven't been well understood, tools like Woebot have demonstrated that they can start helping people within a few weeks. And then 4, administrative support. AI can help therapists with scheduling, note-taking, billing, and a whole host of other things to make their administrative lives a whole lot easier. Okay, but, and you knew there was a but. Here's the thing. The same research that shows AI has promise is also the same research that shows its clear limitations. First, long-term effectiveness. That 2023 meta-analysis that we talked about, well, it showed that many of the benefits faded after the initial weeks, and that the AI tools really weren't designed to evolve with human needs over time. Second, the therapeutic alliance. Decades and decades of psychotherapy research, include a recent analysis done in 2024, shows that the therapeutic alliance, the relationship that the therapist has with the client, is one of the strongest predictors of successful outcome for therapy. AI simply doesn't have any empathy, shared human experience, or the ability to read nuanced emotional cues. Third, safety concerns. A 2025 study found that AI tools, even the latest ones, have a tendency to produce medical hallucinations. These are answers that are extremely confident but nonetheless false. Even the most well-trained models can unintentionally provide harmful advice or make inappropriate suggestions. And then finally, there are the ethical and legal questions. The state of Illinois recently passed an act that banned AI from making independent therapeutic decisions without human oversight. This is a sign that regulators are paying close attention and that the regulations around AI may change quite a bit in the coming years. Given all of this, most experts see AI as a supplement and not a replacement. Think of it like this. A GPS helps you navigate, but it isn't a substitute for your driving skills. Similarly, AI might be able to help support mental health work by doing things like screening for symptoms or helping organize medical notes, but it's not equipped to replace the human connection, judgment, and adaptability that therapy requires. A 2024 review in Frontiers in Psychology summed it up really well. AI can enhance service delivery, but replacing therapists is both practically and ethically problematic. Now, could this change in the future? Possibly. Technology moves fast, and we've already seen AI change quite a bit just in the last year. With better safety guardrails, integration with human oversight, and just better training for therapists, AI's role in therapy could expand. But if there's one thing that the research consistently shows, it's that mental health care isn't just about providing information, it's also about connection. And as of right now, connection is a uniquely human skill. By the way, if you're new here, Practice Picnic is our EHR software for therapists. We think AI has huge potential to support therapists, but that adopting it blindly can be really risky and irresponsible. That's why we're taking a careful, responsible approach, holding off on adding any AI to our platform until the risks are better understood in the real world. If you'd like to learn more about how we help therapy private practices with scheduling, intake, telehealth, billing, documentation, and much more, have a look in the link in the description below or go to practicepicnic.com. Okay, so back to the topic at hand. Can AI replace therapists? Based on the current research, not yet. It's best used alongside therapists, not as a replacement for therapists. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you think AI will replace therapists? Have you used AI in your own private practice with your clients, or have you thought about using it before? Leave your comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more discussions on mental health and technology.